Okay, I'm going to show you how to unclog or fix your vanity sink that won't drain. All I do in this sink is brush my teeth and shave, and I'm really good about trying to not let anything go down the drain, but every once in a while that'll happen. And you can see, I mean, it's pretty stopped up. Nothing to really go down that drain. So I'm going to show you how I do it. You don't need to call a plumber if you have a problem like this. If you have a clog deeper in your line, obviously you're going to need to get someone to come out and either hydrojet it or snake it. But this is my this is the symptom I'm trying to illustrate here. So, you know, you can imagine you brush your teeth, you're trying to clean up, and it's just a mess. And I can, you know, try to pull stuff out of there, but I really can't get my finger in there anymore. So this is a problem. So normally you would call a plumber and have this fixed, but let me show you what I do here. Okay, there's a shot down that nasty drain. You can see there, it's grime and crap in there. Try to give you the best shot I can using an iPhone and a flashlight, but that's what we're gonna clean. So let me show you how easy this is. Put my light down here. Take you down in here with me. And you're gonna look for your trap, because this is what the water comes down the sink, hits this trap, keeps a water lock so no vapors come back through, and then it goes down into the drain. So first thing I do, I mean, there's still water in here, so first thing I do is put a little bowl, little paper towel action there, and I start by loosening this up, and it's gonna weep out. So make sure you got your bowl here to catch it. There. And let's go ahead and loosen this up. So that one will come loose, and there's a little fitting here at the end. This keeps it sealed, so note that. And then loosen this one up too. So basically what you're doing is you're pulling out the P-trap. So now that these are loose, I'm going to drop it. So just do that and take a look at that nasty crap in there. P-trap looks pretty clear, so you know the problem is right here on this little downpipe. So what you're going to do is clean it out. So let me get something to go up and down through this drain and clear it out. That you also want to disconnect this. This is your little drain stopper that goes up and down. This is usually what catches most of the crap in there. So this is just a tension fit. So you just squeeze it and pull back, and that'll come off like that. This is the little lever that goes up and down that you can pull. Just gonna let that hang, and you're gonna loosen this up back here, and you're gonna pull this fitting out of here, and it's probably gonna be disgusting. Yeah, that's nasty. So let's get that out of the way. Put that in there. Now what you're gonna do is clean up this line. Okay, now that I have the trap taken off, you can see down there all the crap that's got that drain blocked. So what I do is I just have a screwdriver here. We keep the bowl at the bottom, and you're just gonna push. See if I can get this in frame. You're gonna push all this crap down. Nasty. It's hair, toothpaste, you name it. It's gross. And I can hear it falling down there. Real crappy, nasty shit. Try to get a shot so you can see it. Bad camera. See that garbage? This shit just starts building up. And I think I just cleared it. Yep, I can see straight to the bottom now. So if I put my light underneath, you'll see that that line is clear free from obstruction and a ton of nasty crap in there. So now what I do, a little paper towel here. So I take the screwdriver, fold up the paper towel a little bit, and just kind of run this screwdriver and paper towel in here to kind of wipe the line clean. So it acts like that, and just push it through. And that wipes the line pretty clear. So, yep, it came through on the other side. So now, line is nice and clean, free from crap. And you can run that paper towel back and forth through there a couple times to make sure it's clear. And let's see what we got. Let's see the nastiness. Look at that. Look at this crap. Look at that. Plugged up the drain. Gross hair and just nasty shit. So take this bowl, go clean it out, go throw all that crap away, and then I'll show you how to put all this back together. Little drain rod. This is all nice and clear, and this is gonna go right back on the way it came. So let's do this in reverse order so we're correct. I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys, so I don't need the comments about the camera work. With that, drop the camera. So then you want to take note your position. I think mine was the third one. So you want to realign that there, like that. That's how it's going to sit. And take your little clip and fan it out a little bit, like that. Slip the one side of the clip on first. Then take your drain arm, like that, and then around the back side, lean the clip in again, and that'll sit nice and handy dandy like that, and it'll operate up and down the way it should. Come back in here, slip your P-trap on, like so. And remember, I just want you to note something. Remember not to let these come off here and here. That's what seals this. So when you take everything off, be gentle, put back together. Slip that bad boy. Yeah, I just got a phone call. Okay, slip that bad boy on there like that. Man, trying to do this one-handed is fun. There we go. That'll start the thread. Don't cross-thread it. If it doesn't, here you go. Don't cross-thread it. If it doesn't thread on easily, stop and back up. So attach that first. Come in here. And you're gonna attach this one here like this. Like that. That's put back together. You're gonna clean up the surrounding floor there. And moment of truth. Got a perfect flow. No more backups. Simple. Simple fix. So the next time you got a clogged bathroom vanity or even a kitchen sink, and you don't feel like calling a plumber because it's too late or because you just don't feel like paying them, give this a try first and see if this fixes your problem. If it doesn't, no big deal. You're just going to get a mess all over the floor and clean it up and call the plumber. So that's it. And there's your under sink with no drips and no leaks. Traps are usually pretty good about not leaking, as long as you pay attention to those little ferrules that I showed you in here, those little seals. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and send this to a friend if it helps you out. Thanks.